Hello, I'm Wanderer001, and I normally don't do videos like this, and I wasn't even prepared to do this. It's echoey, it's horrible audio, but while testing out the new AI feature for the Wyze Cam, apparently I've been doing so much research and testing that Google News surfaced, hey, Wyze Smart Plug from Home Depot. And I was like, well, I didn't think they had announced a smart plug yet. Lo and behold, check the Wyze official site, nothing mentioned. The forum is blowing up right now because it appears that Home Depot leaked an upcoming product, and that is the Wyze Wi-Fi Smart Plug 2-pack here. And looking at the details, we're going to scroll through this and take a look. It looks like your standard smart plug, very much like an Amazon smart plug, slightly different than the TP-Link. It definitely looks more like the Amazon smart plug. The pricing is sticking with Wyze's mantra of cheap but great. So $20 is going to get you a 2-pack. And let's just scroll down and see what we have here. So this is looking like very much official talking points from Wyze. So somebody jumped the gun here. So it will be compatible with your Echo and your Google Assistant, schedule appliances just like any other smart switch, automate Wyze Plug with Wyze Sense. So this is another great thing. They're building their ecosystem. And here we go. Product dimensions, 2.68 for depth, 1.5 for height, product width of 2.5. Yeah, so this 2.05. So this is very much as it would be for most smart plugs. And here we're just going to go kind of look through and see if there's anything that stands out. Nothing really. So, hey, Home Depot, thank you for confirming that Wyze is coming out with a smart plug. I figured it was part of their product roadmap after the Wyze Sense and Wyze bulbs. So hopefully with this slip up, Wyze might just make an official announcement. So again, don't normally make videos like this, but I could not help but throw this together and put this out there because I saw it and I was like, this can't be real. It's real. So I have been Wanderer001. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the area below. And as always, thanks for watching.